I started the truck, got the PTO kicked in. There's the diesel reel. It retracts electrically. Looks like it's got the air hose, 1540 hydraulic oil, gear lube. This is the evac. This is evac. Evac recover, evac dispense, hydraulic oil, 1540. That's the pumps for them. So it looks like it's got 4 products and the evac system. I don't know if that's where you fill them or what, but that's gear lube, 1540. Oh yeah, quick fills. You may know a lot more about this stuff than I do. The PTO compressor, or well, like the diesel. Here's the control panel, and you can hear the diesel pump kick on whenever I turn it on. Like the speed control, I can turn it on. I don't know if you could hear it, but the truck revved up. It slowed down there. The diesel, I can turn the pump on, you'll hear it. My guess is it's still got diesel in it because it's pumping up pressure. You can see the reel moving. The 1540, that pump kicked on. Hydraulic, I can hear it. The gear oil, yeah, I can hear it. Air compressor, yeah, the truck revs up. I was gonna look and see if I can see an air pressure gauge somewhere. I hear it building up air, but I don't see a gauge. You can hear it running. Yeah, I don't see an air compressor gauge. Actually, that's it right there, it's moving. See where it kicks off. So it's shut down there. I don't know exactly what pressure that is. Yeah, the air compressor shut itself off there. Looks like I want to say 120 or 30, I can't tell. Anyways, the air compressor works. Curbside floodlights, yeah, they come on, all 4 of them. Street side floodlights, all 4 of them come on. CD floodlights, I don't know what that is. I have no clue what that is. Rear floodlights, that one come on. Yeah, 2 of them come on. Rear spotlights, I didn't see anything happen there. I don't see anything on the rear spotlights. Comp lights, or compartment lights, I don't know. Yeah, I don't see no compartment lights. That's some kind of fuel conditioning. Have no clue what that is. Yeah, I guess that switch panel is just, pre-rigged. I don't see any compartment lights anywhere. Oh yeah, there's the rear compartment lights. There's a switch for rear compartment lights. So, the street side and curbside compartment lights. I didn't see any lights come on the curb side. I don't know if there's any over here or not. Yeah, I don't see. Oh yeah, there is lights too. I may have overlooked them. Yeah, I did. I may have overlooked them on that other side. Overall, for the money, I mean, it's a really good truck. Yeah, they did. The side lights did come on too. I didn't see them. They've got them right there. It's just bright enough. The sun's bright enough. I just couldn't see them. There's not one in this. I guess this is like a drain. It's a drain for oil filters. Looks like it's hooked up to pump the oil out or something. I don't know. Yeah, there's lights in this front one too, so the compartments do work. Only one I don't know what is was the center spotlights, and there are 2 lights up there, but they didn't come on. And then I don't know what that CD floodlights are. I don't know. Oh, that may be lights up on the deck. Oh, it is. Yeah, it's a control deck or whatever lights they light up on the deck. So I'll walk around. And the truck's got a little bit of stuff, nothing much overall, and it's. I'm sure this is the maintainer bed. Yeah, it says maintainer, which is a very expensive bed. Oh, sorry about that. Oh. I know you can't tell a whole lot.